2018 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, security system, rear window defroster, trip computer, power windows, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, tachometer, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, power driver's seat, front bucket seats, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.